Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah nah nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. This video is super exciting because this hair is so freaking bomb. This hair is from a company called Bundle Action, and when I tell you the customer service, the ownership of this company is just so lit. Like, they were just in communication with me the entire time, and then when I got the hair, you know, it was just a great experience with this company, and the hair quality is really, really beautiful as well. The hair that I got was Malaysian Kinky Curly. I did make it into a wig. The wig I created is on a dome cap. I ended up only using 2 bundles of hair, you guys. I got 4 bundles and a frontal, but I only ended up using 2 because the hair is so full. The bundles are so full. You really don't need a lot of bundles, especially with this type of hair, and to get this full, beautiful look. Now, this hair looks extremely natural. Like, it truly mimics black girl hair. Like, it has that nice kinky texture. It has that really beautiful healthy sheen to it. I just love this hair. It looks so natural, and the frontal is so lit, you guys. I was so happy with the frontal. It did come pre-plucked, but I went ahead and plucked it a whole lot more. I didn't bleach the knots on the hair. All I did was add my foundation inside the lace frontal, and I was able to achieve this look just doing that. So if you don't know how to bleach your frontals, it's cool. You can just, you know, pluck it really well and then just apply your foundation. And yeah, I put the wig on. This wig doesn't have any combs in it or anything. It just fits my head perfectly, and I think the hair is really beautiful. Now, this hair is a lot to manage, you guys. Like, don't get it twisted. Just like your own natural hair is a lot to manage, this hair is the same exact way. You're going to have to deep condition it. You're going to have to keep it moisturized. You're going to have to detangle it gently as possible. You're going to have to moisturize it. Like, this hair is just like your own natural hair. You will have to really care for it, or else you will ruin it. So, you know, word to the wise, definitely make sure if you get this hair that you're up for the challenge, because it is high maintenance hair. But when I say it's worth it, like, I just think this hair is worth everything. Like, it's just so beautiful. I was feeling like all types of a melanin queen. Like, I wore this hair to go see Black Panther. I'm like screaming Wakanda forever in my African queen hair. Like, I just love it. If you guys want to check this hair out, I will leave a link in the information bar down below where you can go to the site and check out this hair. They also have an Instagram. I will leave a link for that as well. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at JessTheDragoness, and follow me on all my social media at JessTheDragoness. And I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you share this video, like this video, and subscribe. Bye.